Hey everyone, thanks for watching this video. It was just a quick one on how to actually install a graphics card in the Dell Optiplex 3020. It's pretty simple, a couple clicks, couple screws, unscrewing together stuff. It's really not a big deal. In this video, it took me less than a minute, and I was doing it pretty much late at night, so it was really quick, easy to do, simple to do. So yeah, if you like the video, please leave a like. If you like the channel, subscribe, because I'm continuing to post content about this Dell Optiplex and other computer stuff that I'm interested in, like graphics cards. I seem to be obsessed with that. I think my next video is going to be a actual video where I sit down and talk about all the graphics cards I own and talk about my addiction to buying graphics cards, as you can see, which is it's a very bad habit, very bad. But anyways, I don't want to dwell too long and ramble, but thank you guys, and yeah, take care.